Trend 750 Pro Kitchen Worktop Jig for fast and flawless worktop joints. For the latest kitchen styles using the newest materials. For standard and non-standard worktop widths. Kitchen styles are changing, and with this change comes new worktop materials such as hardwood, laminate, composite materials and compact laminate. New design fashions such as handleless doors mean the overhangs are getting shorter, worktops are getting slimmer and corners and edges are getting more square. Accurate measurement is key to perfect worktop installation. Often, the only practical place to measure from is the front edge. The 750 Pro overcomes all these challenges. For faultless worktop fitting. The Easy Set window is key to the 750 Pro. Now you can measure from the front edge of any worktop. Just select the correct inset cut depth. This can be 3, 5, 10, 24 or 35 millimeters, and it's simple to set up from the front edge. Just attach the cams, push up to the front edge, align the mark, and you're all set. A 3mm inset can be cut in one pass, saving time, preserving both router and cutter life. Continuous cutting of worktops from 150 to 750mm. The low-profile clamping slots are especially designed to attach track saw guide clamps easily and securely and give clearance to the movement of the router. 3 open-ended bolt recesses are perfect for standard 150mm, short 65mm and even slim bolts used for compact laminate. The 750 Pro is made from durable 12mm high-pressure laminate to maintain accuracy and withstand life on site. The Trend 750 Pro with Easy Set window for fast and flawless worktop joints for every kitchen.